What's up guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. So this week is the 4th of July and just spending a few days at home, still dog sitting and stuff. So yeah, this is just my intro clip. I'm gonna get it started right now. Oh, if you're new, subscribe, please. I would love to have you, and let's hit it. What's up guys, it's 4th of July and here I am. I'm always at the grocery store, I feel like, when I vlog, but we're getting some stuff for a barbecue. Picking out popsicles. We have to get these, obviously. 4th of July. What other popsicles do we want? So we're just doing like a normal barbecue. Hamburgers, hot dogs, we're getting some popsicles, chips, and we're just like not caring today about being healthy, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm picking out some stuff and then we're headed over to Hunter's parents' house. They have a pool and we're gonna have some friends over, and yeah, that's what we're doing. We're just saying that.
Here's the thing, you have to buy coffee food
on 4th of July.
You have to buy American food. You gotta buy American craft single cheeses for your hamburger.
Yep.
You have to buy
Oreos.
pre-grated cheese for your hot dog.
Wait, did we get that?
No.
So we got a block.
We got a block.
Oh.
Just giving some examples here.
Some examples.
You gotta go with some Oreos. You gotta have a beer on board.
Gotta have Doritos. So we got all the goodies. Okay, we'll see you guys at the house. We're gonna load up the car.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
Hi guys. Okay, so quick update. We're in the pool, just swimming at sunset. It's very nice.
Casual.
This is my friend
4th of July.
Ashley.
Hi guys.
Yeah, follow her. I'll put her handle right here on the screen, but it's at Ashley Robertson. She also has a fabulous blog, The Teacher Diva.
Yep.
And she's the cutest style. You'll love her.
Thank you.
So go check her out on Instagram. But yeah, we're just enjoying 4th of July.
Yes.
We're gonna have some popsicles and we're just chilling. So quick update. We're gonna swim a little and then yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do later. Maybe get some sparklers.
Yes.
Oh, we forgot to get sparklers, Hunter.
or we forgot those. But we'll find some. Yeah. But we did get the Oreos.
We got the Oreos.
We got the Oreos.
Oh yeah, I told them we got all the American
Yes.
food.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me so alive.
Got a firework. I don't know.
Oh my god, wait, I can't even see that.
Where's Noah?
Noah?
Just again.
Oh my
scared.
gosh.
Noah. Noah. No, there's no way.
There's no show.
Yeah.
my God, I'm so
confused. Oh, he's scared. Mister, come in the pool. Like never. Come on, come on. Come on, come to mommy. What's up, guys?
Hey everybody.
Just got ready.
I'm having a peanut butter toast, so I was hungry.
And I think we're gonna go into Dallas today and shoot some Instagram photos and maybe get lunch and do a little shopping, fun stuff like that. Let me show you my outfit. I'm wearing a new dress. So I got this dress at Forever 21. I'll probably have posted it on Instagram by now. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I've been doing like tons of outfit of the days over there. Like I post every day and it's like different stuff than I post on my YouTube. So yeah, check it out. My Instagram is lit. Yeah, so dress Forever 21. I think it comes in a bunch of different colors, but it's super flattering because it like cinches in at the waist. Very summery, cute. You could wear it to a wedding, I think, if you wanted to wear like heels with it. It'd be a really good wedding dress. Maybe I'll wear this to the wedding we're going to next week.
Nice.
Yeah. So we'll bring you along today. We're gonna go to Dallas and maybe have a cute little lunch. And yeah.
And I'm wearing boots, as always.
I'm wearing
and jeans.
Yeah, let's do your outfit. Your outfit's cute, actually. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so you got this cutie shirt from where? H&M?
My Instagram is lit. No, jeans,
Here, wait, go over here.
Boots as always. I would probably wear these every day.
You're boot man.
Yeah, boot man. They're Nakona boots. I really like them a lot. These are Urban Outfitter jeans. I wear these a lot too. And then this shirt is from
H&M.
H&M. The shirt's from H&M. And I
So cute.
I actually really like it. It's like summery because it's like,
Yeah, it's like a nice
almost like
texture.
a corduroy texture look, but it's
Yeah.
more like linen-y. So it's like lightweight,
cute.
breathable.
Okay, so we're at lunch in Dallas at a really cute restaurant called Dolce Riviera. It's kind of like a Italian, European style.
Really cool. It's like more French style, right?
It's actually Italian. but
It's really
so
cute. It's a really cool restaurant here.
We got spritz and chips and got an Aperol spritz and a Negroni, and look how cute on their orange rinds they put like a branded little like Dolce Riviera.
It's the
name
brand of the restaurant, yeah.
So good. And then they also give a little bread and cheese and little olive. Maybe we're taking those for spritz and chips. We could do a little cheese and olive. And I love all the pottery, flowers. I feel like I'm in Europe and I'm obsessed. We're gonna eat. We are at Home Depot. We just pulled in and we're trying to find some parking. I think we're gonna go, what are we getting?
We are getting a ladder. So I
getting
have a ladder, but it's one that like leans against a wall, and I'm trying to get a ladder that's more of like a, I don't know what the name of it is, but it's like more of like a triangular
ladder.
A-frame looking ladder.
Yeah. No, you need
it
it.
opens up and like can go up and down, whatever. But need one for, I don't know, Julia, did you tell them already that we got different lights?
No, we got, oh my god, you guys. I cannot wait to show our light
Really
fixtures.
cool.
They're amazing. So Hunter's gonna hang them today.
So I'm gonna detach the current chandeliers that are above our breakfast nook and our dining table, and reattach our new lighting that are they're actually from Mill Valley, where we just moved from. Ended up getting a couple basket, like bohemian Bali style chandeliers, straight from Bali actually. And when we were in San Francisco last time, we boxed them up, shipped them here, which was a whole process, like another story we could probably tell you later. We had to build the whole entire box. Well, yeah, we'll tell it on Spritz and Chips. But we are at Home Depot buying a bunch of stuff to be able to hang them into the ceiling and attach them safely.
Anyway, so that's what we're doing today. We just took a few Instagrams. We got some lunch, and I think when we get home, we'll show you guys the new light fixtures, and we're gonna put them up. It's gonna be very exciting.
Yep.
And yeah, that's what's going on. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. We're gonna go inside. Not the big orange, not big red, big orange. Wait, that one leans anyways. Oh wait, no. This looks cute. Let's do that one.
Let's go down here. We're looking at our options right now.
We're assessing the options of the ladders. So this is the dog update. Both on my bed. Come on, kids, let's go. Off, come on. Let's go. Come on, come on. So we just got up our new light fixture. It looks freaking amazing. The ladder's still there, but look at it. It's so beautiful. Ta-da! Oh my god, I'm in love. It's like a basket pendant. It's so me. And I need to just kind of finish up this room. I'm gonna do like an official house update video very soon, but I'm loving the way it looks. Okay, so it's time for me to teach you guys my famous Caesar salad recipe. This is a salad that I have pretty much memorized and perfected to the point where I can do it like with my eyes closed, and it's bomb. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I make it because I'm making it tonight for dinner with some salmon. Let's do this. By the way, everything that I do for the salad is completely made from scratch because that is seriously the only way to make a Caesar salad, in my opinion, is for everything to be like you have to make it. So I got a baguette and I didn't want it to go stale, so I already cut it up into cubes. But this is literally just like a baguette from the grocery store. And I cut it up yesterday just because I knew we weren't gonna eat it for a couple of days and I didn't want it to get too hard before I cut it. So I'm literally just going to put these on a cookie sheet. Okay, so cookie sheet. Then we're gonna drizzle with olive oil. And I love this salt. It's kind of like a seasoned salt. Lots of salt. Just gonna toss them around. Seriously, so easy, but it tastes so much better than store-bought croutons. And you can put whatever you want on these. I just keep them kind of basic, just cause like the dressing has so much flavor and garlic and stuff that I like to keep these kind of simple. Okay, and then sometimes I'll do a little pepper as well. That's it, and then we're putting them in the oven at 400 for about 15 minutes, and that's it. Okay, next is dressing. So the dressing is the best part. You're gonna need red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, 1 lemon, a can of anchovies, a little mayonnaise, Worcestershire, and olive oil, and then salt and pepper, of course. So what I like to do is, oh, and garlic cloves. I'm gonna take 3 garlic cloves, peel them, and put them in there with the anchovies. Okay, so you are gonna need a food processor. These are only like 25 bucks. I'll link mine down below, like on Amazon. It's just a Cuisinart, really simple, but it's amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna take the entire can of anchovies and pour all the oil and the anchovies in there. Literally everything. And we're gonna grind it together. Okay, next we are going to apply all the rest of the ingredients. So it's about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and I just eyeball this now, but you can just go off of taste, or you can measure it at first, and then once you get used to it, you'll know. A few dashes of Worcestershire, and an entire lemon. And then I always like to put like just a tiny bit of mayonnaise in just to like thicken it a little, because it's gonna be like really thin, just to like mix it all together. I don't know why I do that. And then blend. Okay, so this is kind of like the base of the sauce. Now we're gonna add salt, even though it's already pretty salty from the anchovies, so just like a pinch of like sea salt. And then I'm gonna add a little more mayonnaise. In total, you probably want a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and then about a 1/2 cup of olive oil. And I like to kind of add this in increments, so I'll do maybe a 1/4 cup first, blend it, and then do more. Okay, and then let's just kind of test it. So wonderful. And then I'm gonna put it in a Tupperware, pop it in the fridge, and let it chill while I make the rest of my dinner. Okay, so I forgot to record this part, but you just chop up 1 head of romaine and shred Parmesan cheese, like from a actual block of cheese, like fresh. And then now I'm just adding in the croutons, and then I'm gonna toss the dressing, and voila.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies. All